Okay, so our next step will be to install our basket mount. What we have to do is take off these axle bolts. And slide these over, ensuring that your tabs are still in the hole. And do them up. Just hand tight because we'll need to do some more adjustments. And now we will attach this wire basket using the bolts, nuts, and washer that was supplied. With my hand. Now using the Phillips head screwdriver, we will tighten down these bolts. Not tightening too much though, because we'll still need to do a bit of adjusting. Get that one down. Still making sure that the basket can move kind of freely. So next we just need to install this bracket here on to the basket mount by screwing this bolt in through the top of the basket. And last but not least, place your wicker basket into the wire basket. Job done. Now you've assembled your Progear retro bike, and get out there and have some fun.